Hey there, back here with another amazing video, and I'll be showing you how to get this Discord tag without numbers. This is a fairly new feature that Discord is implementing, so without much ado, here's how you can get this. First of all, head to settings, and here you should be able to see username. All you have to do is simply click on the edit button. Oh, and by the way, you do not need a Discord Nitro subscription to be able to have your new custom username without any tag. So just write any name you would like. For example, I'm just gonna go with Nathan, and you don't have to put any numbers if you don't want to. I just like it like that, so I'm gonna put them here. Then just rewrite your password. I hope I get that correctly. And that's how you get a new username without any number tags. And also you can send this to your friends, so like they can add you to your Discord without having to use your old numbered username. So meaning this one can also be used to add you on your Discord as well as the previous one. Since this is a fairly new feature by Discord, they have not completely removed your old username, but this is also a new addition from their side. Well, there you go. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like our content. Make sure to hit subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question whatsoever.